Okay, so we have this lamp. It used a fluorescent bulb, and we decided to switch it out for a LED bulb, and it fits just fine. But Marie determined when she went and did that it had a ballast on the end of the plug. So what we're doing is we're swapping out, taking the ballast out and plugging directly in to power without the ballast. So she's about to solder these wires together, and then we will test, and hopefully it doesn't explode. So here comes the breathtaking soldering. Do I need to hold something?
I'm gonna tin these.
Explain what tinning is for those who don't know.
Okay, you prepare the soldering joint with two things. One is you have to clean the joint, and I need some flux. So I'm gonna need to go into the chemical vat and grab some soldering flux.
And what does flux do?
The flux actually cleans and facilitates the adhesion of the solder. So I'm going to kind of give this a quick brush.
And I got an itch. There we go. I got it. Whoa, stinky.
I need more brushes.
More brushes.
Wow, my brush is all the way down there. Hang on.
I'm hanging
Don't
on.
move.
I am not moving. Ish. And she has gotten a brush, which was behind the rolling table, which she rolled, and now she has rolled back. Okay.
So I'm going to give this a proper application of flux.
Fluxing, fluxing, fluxing. Okay.
And I need to do it with the other.
I have become a pair of robot hands. And holding the camera. See, my talents are limitless.
I'm going to roll back this heat shrink tubing so it doesn't get affected by the heat of the soldering job. And I'm going to go with the white and white. So I am going to do a Westinghouse braid, as it's called. And now I'm going to
She's soldering. Soldering. You know, I do have telephoto on this, don't I?
You mean micro?
Yeah. But I could probably do that instead of getting in your way.
You're not in my way.
Here we go, let's try it. Look at that!
I'm messing this up.
How are you messing it up?
I'm messing it up. The heat shrink tubing.
Oh, well.
And now I have this other problem to deal with. Now I have two problems. The heat shrink tubing got caught in the solder.
There we go, that's better. I was getting some really good footage of your arm there for a second, and not what we were actually doing. Where did the avian go?
This is the worst soldering job I have ever done.
You know what? At least it's soldered. Avian! Come here post haste.
I need more.
What? Oh.
Okay, let's see if I can do this right this time.
Hi, Avian. Pikachu.
I need a second pair of hands, like helper hands, like the ones that I have in the other room. I need to this is not the way to do this.
Yes, we're taking pictures. He's so smart.
I think I need more higher temperature. Can you let me turn it up?
Okay. Turn it up. What did it do? Yeah.
I'm reaching over.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this because everything else is failing and I just cannot deal with failure right now.
You're using air?
Yes. 480 degrees of hot air. Less than most politicians.
Huh. Actually worked.
What do you mean it actually worked?
How about that? I never would have thought of doing it with hot air instead of with the soldering iron.
You know what I've also done in the past is I have actually taken solder and done this. And then
so you sort of, and then if you hit it with the hot air and pull out the strand that you're
right there.
Yeah.
And cut this, and right now I don't have anything to cut it with.
There you go, you got that. That will cut it. There you go. Now you're gonna hit it with the hot air?
No,
with the
I'm
soldering?
actually gonna just continue soldering.
Yeah, the flux is kind of stinky.
Watch out, I'm gonna try the air.
Okay. Watch out, we got this guy on our grill here. His feet are warm too. What are you doing, buddy? There you go.
And now what I'm going to do is cool it down a little bit.
And shrink the heat shrink tubing. There you go. Is that the one you had gotten?
Yeah.
It looks like it's going anyway. Barely, but you made it. There you go.
Now, I could just call it a day and just, but I'm not, I don't trust electricity that much.
So you're gonna test it first?
No, not at all. I wanna isolate that a lot more than this.
She does not trust electricity.
No, I don't. I've been shocked so much. I'm gonna go in with some tape and protect that a little bit more. I know this seems very messy. This was an unplanned project, and I said this before, and I'll say it again. The best projects that we've done are the ones that are just spur of the moment. Should I? Yes, why not?
I'm gonna hit the other side with black tape.
Yeah. I know that nobody will ever see this, but I'll know that it was done right.
It's the anal retentive electrician.
Yeah, anal retentive electrician. I don't care. This is not, I'm not using the right tools for the job.
And here comes the heat shrink wrapping. You went too far. Uh-oh. Where you at, buddy? Are you destroying stuff? Is he destroying?
He's staring.
Okay. He's interested in what's going on. Oh, there we go. It's our R2 unit is demanding attention. Oh, he's pecking me in the melon. Is it as loud as it feels?
What?
The pecking on my melon?
Yeah.
This guy wakes me up in the morning and says, "Come on," as he's pecking me in the melon.
Okay, the next scene
Is when everything goes boom?
The next scene is in honor of Electro Boom. Electro Boom, if you're watching, this scene is just for you. Here, connected.
Who's Electro Boom again? Is that the dude that's always shocking himself and
Yes.
stuff? Like, he's pretty funny. Am I the one that's gonna turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on.
Why is it me? Why am I always
Do
that?
it!
Yay!
It's backwards!
It's backwards? Oh well.
I thought it was... Wow.
Oh, look at that. Now it's forwards.
Now it works.
Look at that. Woohoo! We've got LED! We have
here.
retrofitted it.
We retrofitted this lamp. This lamp was
Old school.
yeah, it was a CF, and it's a craft lamp. It's a here we go. Wow, focus. It's an art light.
So wait a second, it was a little. The bulb's a little too long now.
Yeah, the bulb is a bit long.
Next time I get a shorter one.
Yes, we will. This is the cap that goes to it. So you see, it's like it's about 1.5 inch too long.
Okay.
Yeah, this is too long. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a tube that goes there, and bam,
It'll be fine.
it will be fine. But right now
We got an art lab.
is giving us really nice, very nice.
Woo-hoo.
Okay, well, one successful project down.
Booyah. Squack!
Yeah, we got two successful projects today done. So, again, remind our viewers.
Please like us, subscribe to us, share it with your friends. Tell us what you think. Don't be mean, be cool. And have a great day, and squack!
Come on, say it, Pikachu. Ah,
He's stoic.
yeah. Bye. Yeah? Come on. Say it. Pikachu. Pikachu. Come on. Goodbye, everybody. I keep hitting the power, but nothing happens.
It stopped first.
I gotta hit stop.